Ka wena vele what's happening with this thing? Oh, you look so beautiful. You look so beautiful. I know. Don't touch me. Anna. 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 So I need to wash my hair today and then ngusonzoreni sokuja chitu chimwe na chimwe chipanga muno muni chimwe na chimwe chitu dakalo chanzana kuita ti chimwe na chimwe chitu chinena chiwana mulomoni zonyo alala. And hello Lily, say hi. Hello. No, just say hello. Say hello. How are you? Ooh. Goodbye. So I am about to like do some lessons. Do some lessons for the kids. This one is being overly dramatic. Hello. Hello. Say hello. Dramatic. This is look at that. Bye-bye. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Stand up, Lily. Stand up, Lily. Stand up, Lily. What are you doing? What? Hello, baby girl. Hello. Say hi. Hello. Clap your hands, Lily. Clap your hands. Lily, hi. So, oh my God. So I'm playing with her just before I start my homeschooling lessons with my son. Because we're going to do our lessons. So this is me trying to play. Cheza! So I'm guessing. I asked him not to go. Hi, Tani. Hey, so I asked Emmanuel to go inside the house to take the baby's puree, because before I start the homeschooling, I have to make sure the baby is fed, happy, and everything in between. So he went inside the house like 5 minutes ago, and I forgot about it because I was busy playing with Lily. Now I'm remembering that Abe, I asked him to go in the house to take the baby's puree. Turns out he's preparing himself to go to the toilet. It's only now that I'm calling him and asking what's happening, because you've been gone for quite a while, and and you're not coming back. And he's like, oh, I'm going to the toilet. He didn't tell me anything about it, But it's a good thing because now we're about to start the lessons, and I don't want any disturbance. Like for the next 15 minutes, my lessons are not. I don't like stretching them out to like 30 minutes or so. I like them to be maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes. No, 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 no. We are having a problem of Lily not eating, guys. Lily does not like to eat. Just that I can't rotate my camera to show you. Lily, she does not like to eat. I'm even thinking of stopping breastfeeding because of it. I've bought the formula already, but Jesus, Lily and eating, they're not friends. And the nurses at the clinic at her monthly appointment, they are like, we're gonna put her on a diet. This baby's gonna be put on a diet. So I've been trying whatever I can. If you see a mother and a daughter fighting, just know it's me and my daughter fighting because this girl, let me show you. Lily, eh, it, it. Ah, now she's eating. Is it because you guys are watching cheese? The moment I showed her on the camera, she ate. Babies will embarrass you. Babies will embarrass you. So the nurses threatened that they will put her on a diet. I think they're putting it on me being a mother who is neglecting the baby and not feeding her as much as she should be fed. I so wish they would come and see how much I fight with this baby just to feed her the basics. She likes breast milk like crazy. I don't know if she has started to taste it to understand it. I have no idea what's happening. But many people have advised that maybe we should just stop it. I don't know. My son was never breastfed, so I don't have any experience with it. Lily, yeah, that's it. Guys, this means that whenever I have to feed Lily, I need to be on my life. I need to go on a live because what do you mean she's eating now? Whenever I show her on camera. So this is the maize puree with, I don't know if you can see it clearly. It's maize puree mixed with butter, peanut butter, by the way, because they advise at the clinic that I should add it to every food she eats. It's gonna help with weight gain. So I don't know. Mm. Ooh, she's eating. She is eating, guys. She is eating. I wish I could get up and do that. The flip. I where are we watching from anyway? I want to get up. I know I'm a mom of two, and yeah, this year we are approaching the big 30. But I'm playful. Okay, I'm playful. I'm very playful. So I wish I could get up right now and then do the flip. Lily, it's hello, baby girl. Mm, mm. The moment the camera came to her face, she immediately opened her mouth. I wish one day when she's gone, she would come to this channel and realize and see this video and realize, oh my God, Sweden. This side in South Africa, it's summer and it's hot. I should be inside now because I prefer to do the homeschooling videos inside inside my room, right? Because there are little to no distractions inside. But I am outside because we don't even have, what do you call it? Air conditioner, right? So it's very hot. Yo, it's so hot. I wish I was in Sweden right now. I would come back in to South Africa in winter. Because the winters the side they are very brutal. Let me check how hot today is. 31, 32 degrees. That is too much for me. Yeah, it's too much. I don't want to lie. Lily, here, baby girl, here. She's literally taking your mouse like this. Here, baby girl, here. Oh, God. There was a video that I made of me feeding Lily with my hands like this and doing like this. On on um on Instagram, it got so much attention, and there were a lot of mixed signal from people. Ne? Today, let me explain that video a little bit, guys. The reason why I was feeding my daughter like this in that video, if you saw it, I think it's also here on my YouTube channel. I think it's around 1 point something k views. If you stumble, this is how I feed my daughter, something along those lines, with my hands like this, not with a spoon. It's like the traditional method of um feeding. Yo, Loki or Lock Navy is saying that, haha, no, it's so cold, lol, here right now. I want to be in that -4 degree, greater than plus 34 to 37 degrees. I don't like hot. I don't like summers, Jim. I don't want to lie. I don't like summers. So let's go back to that video. The reason why I was doing that, it's because my daughter does not like to be spoon fed. It's a problem. And if she's not spoon fed, her weight will obviously drop. She is not in that age where I have to feed her sugary stuff. I don't like sugar, to be precise. I don't like sugar. I hate. If it was possible, we would share. Yo, maybe, I don't know, maybe the Western world. I'm not sure if Sweden is in the Western world. I think it is. But summers here, let's just say here where I am in South Africa, the rural South Africa, they are brutal. Like the temperatures can get to 40, no, actually 39. The highest is 39, and then 40. Yeah, I think 40 to 39. That's the highest. To that temperature, you could literally put the water outside, like outside in an open space, and your water will boil. Your water would boil. On hot days, I just know I won't prepare any fire to like boil water for the kids. I'll just take a bucket, pour in some water, and that water will be very, very, very hot. The summers are very brutal, and the winters are not that brutal. If I'm saying it's too cold, maybe 6 degrees, 10, somewhere there. So shame. Count me in on winter, on brutal winters. Oh, Badarida. Chaita! It's done again. So last time I checked, my son went to the toilet. Somehow he has gotten out of the toilet, and we stay near the road, so he is in the road, and the road is very busy. Niko ita nichikipa, niko vaga ini. Ndo gumani chikuru niko kaka, niko fati nene chiri niko vabadan. Niko vata ni bada. Ima bada ni. Nichuko imena min. Badani bukuma. Ni aya badani ni. Ini niko vabadani ita. Emmanuel, niko vabadani ita. Kombre nambara vuruku ni doto vya shop deni chintaru shet. Do you see? Do you see what she does? Even if you cook fancy things. Yesterday I did some carrots, some butternut. Hi. I'm good and you? Yesterday I did some carrots, some butternut, and what else? Oh, potatoes as well. Those, I don't know, those stick, yeah, stick type of thingy that she could grab and eat. I think she only managed to eat two. Two. I don't know if it's a problem with her appetite, but give her snacks. You. She's ever eating snacks. She likes snacking. Lily? No. Ah. Look, she be wanting to play like that. I'm telling you, let's eat. Eat when I'm a girl. Eat. Mm, eh. Ooh, sorry, baby girl. Oh, I am so sorry. Whatever she was playing with, she dropped it. So now it's time for her to go and get it. Ha! So 30 degrees warm in summer. Guys, 30. If we have a 30 degrees in summer, all summer long, I will consider myself blessed. It's just that I love the village life. If I am to get rich one day, I think I will relocate. Sweden will be my number one country to consider because 30 degrees in summer, that is more than generous. that is that is generosity at another level. That's like saying I'm God's favorite child because 30, if it's 30, I mean here, if it's 30 degrees in summer, one of the two things is correct. It's either it's maybe raining or just these things, something along those lines, or it's cloudy. But it can never be a summer with clear skies and the temperature goes to like 30 degrees. Where? Hot. Oh, what? It's just that we're very lucky here at home because we have so many trees. Yeah. Lily, please sit down. Agree, you're refusing to eat. Ah, sit down. Mm, mm. Hello. Now she's drinking her water. Like, um, mm, mm. Drink your water. Yani jathobulela re thome ko tio thomo it as a classes as unity. What time is it? So it's literally half past. I was planning on starting around around 2, but I'm planning on starting early. I'm waiting for their brother. He goes to school, so I'm waiting for him to come back and then start. So I don't have much in regards to resources, but I make do with whatever I have in the house. Mm, I make do because you know what, you have to. Yo, I love where I regardless of the brutal summers, I really love the environment. I love. I know a lot of people will love to experience maybe the cities and stuff like that, but I don't, honestly speaking. Um, I love everything about the surrounding. It's way peaceful. I love peaceful stuff. Am I the only one who's homeschooling here? Their mom's here. Because I really love homeschooling, and next year, unfortunately, I'm going to be forced to take my son to school, which is going to be great, but I'm not looking forward to it. I wish I had more time with him. It's gonna be 4, 5 somewhere there. So I wish I had more time with him. So this is one of the resources. This is charcoal sticks. I'm also using this. Hey, I'm using this to like help him master, what do you call it? Gripping the a pen or or a pencil. One more than hi. Hi. Hello. Hello. Is he not handsome? Uta, my son is forever curious. He's a curious child. So I also had this. 3 kids. How did you manage? You know, with everything. I don't think I will ever manage. I don't think I will ever manage beyond 2. Even 2 was stretching it. I was okay with 1. Things happen. But the laundry, there is mine. And remember, we are staying in rural areas. Let me show you. You see, they be playing around this area. All this area. All this area. They'll be playing around. So they are forever dirty. Like they are forever dirty. And we are having water problems. Anitomina relaxa. You see, one thing I love about my son is that he looks forward to the classes that we have. He wants to write now. He's demanding it. Let me show you what we did. I think we did last night lessons, because hey, this is what he was writing last night. This is what he was writing last night. This is and the air. I am very much loving. Manando, Onibesa. Sorry, Angie, and this is also what he wrote last night. So the progress is actually he's doing more than I have expected him to be doing at this point, because we started last week. Let's just say we started the beginning of February, and I did not start at the basics. I used the method that my dad used on me. My dad just started like, you're writing your name. I did not even know alphabets. I did not even know letter sounds. And he was like, we're starting with the alphabets. We're starting with your name. A good boy. Must you see him early in the morning, you will realize this one is not a good boy. He is the naughty. But he is forever talking. Ma, there is a bed. It's just that he uses our native language. I don't prefer teaching him English before the native language. I want him to understand our native language before he can, learn other languages. But he does know, because most of the time, if I'm on the phone with other people, I'll be using English. So he does know some English words, and basically because I do read him some books, he knows English. But he'll be like, "Where's the bed? I wanna play. I wanna sleep. Lily's doing this and that." You will realize, ain't no way this is a good boy. I'm sorry, he's my son, but he is naughty. Okay, and he steals food. He's a foodie, by the way. Forgot to mention that. He is a foodie. So I'm trying to figure out what to teach today. I wanted to do tracing and connecting, but I'm not sure. Unfortunately, my tripod broke and I bent it. But I was thinking maybe I don't know where to put this phone. Maybe I'll do the live while we're together. It will be so nice. And then there's Lily. Lily? Oh. Ooh. You know what? Lily wants to. She wants to be everywhere. I'm so sorry I have to go now. Oh my god. Thank you for tuning in. Yeah, you won't miss anything because starting this month I'm planning on writing the posting the lessons that we have. So no, you won't miss anything. You will find them here. Oh, and I also post on my Instagram account and my Facebook account, but that's another issue. But no, you won't miss anything. You won't. And thank you so much for supporting. Thank you, Etlock Navy. I just can't pronounce the name right. Sorry if I'm not. But thank you. You've been very you're engaging. Let me just say it like that. You see? Hey, right. Yo, so we are continuing. This is what he was writing yesterday. So I don't know what he wants to write today. This he was writing. And then as he goes down, look how messy this is. Our and then there is Lily as well. Hi boy Manuel, he wants to take this. The one is we. Guys, chintu no panganyi. Zolu gani the wala. Wala means to write. Oh, hi, Charlotte. Thank you so much for being with us. I really appreciate it. Yeah, guys. This one. Bring. So this book. This one. So I want to give him one of these sticks, charcoal sticks. They are really helpful when you want to teach them how to write and how to grip properly. The problem is they will stain the clothes. And today, look at what Emmanuel is wearing. You see? So that's gonna be a problem. Emmanuel. So while we're waiting for yes, does that and then there is Lily. You know what? Lily is something altogether. Ina ngomara sana sabian bukus haya li eneo. Oh my god. So so now we're down. I have to like start administering the lectures. I don't know how it's gonna go, but the problem is Lily. Let's see how it goes. Aku type ini ane po. Ha, di ini. And then there is Lily. Look what Lily is doing. I failed at feeding her. Now I don't know. Tendani ai. Ani mini na Rwanda right ragunda kudisaba na we. Abe unasema doruga wo mtu hapa no nini? Ndimo dise. Kwandaka. Nirmene. Bye-bye. Now my sister has said that I should bring her that side. So I'm going to take her to my sister and then see if I can sneak in some pictures in between. matata, ayo matata, muzimu nari, nari muzimu nari, naya. So Lily is finally gone, and we are going to start with our lessons. We are starting with our lessons, and I have to be very careful. I have to be very careful with how I place my camera so that we all appear. Most importantly, I appear, because if I don't appear, it's gonna be a problem. YouTube might just restrict me again or block my live videos. Hmm? Not a banga usione. So gonna do not the banga. Ini ngora de bana khothe ngwe. Chaja ngora khothe kanya ntho. Ngom di mufuru zwine no khothe. Ngai, the end no way. Chaja. Ngwana. Ai, ina nchata zwone. Chaja dulu. This is not visible. I think it's not visible. Emanuele. I don't want a book. Diminish. What is? Look at how dirty it is. He has dirtied the book. The side. This much dirt. I don't like this. Emanuele. Chikati. Tenyera ngambilenga yote. Ai, nikuita. Asuzone zone nikuita. Don't sorry. I don't know if I'm visible. I don't think I am. If let's see. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is much better. Nduri sedzana. If niko ngwala ti ni thoma na ngwala k nare. Zuma. You know ti. Then from there nare. Zuma. Dione hey. Okay. Nare. Niko ngwala ti nakonori. The method go thoma ino ne. Ara ni ko bayira nga wino ni method. Ni ashumisa wino no nenda ukona windi wa bathu balwane thi. Nyere. Do you see what he did there? Imani, wait. Nyere. Oh, then you can do like this. See? You can do like this. Oh, I'm not hopeful with whatever that is happening there. Let's see. I am, however, very, very not disappointed. Okay, and DJ, no ways, ita, arbo. Nsongo ita no jaya, ne? Yeah. Oh, I don't know what's happening. Emmanuel, is not ngwala pandiji. Ngwala zupeni. Ara nisi no danisa chafuna ngwala ti. Niampe. Aringa dabera nikombesha mwana mkala. Nipe dakaro. Dakaro ya ngwala ne. Ya ngwala mi. Itabanyane ni churenga. Ni chungwala suzo. I don't know what is being written. I'm going to mean go bugu ya daranga zo yote ki bugu ya daranga zo ki. Daranga da. Mokoga? Kandi daranga da. Ringa zani serva na yon. Ya tisa so patina. Din nangwala. Nandiri. Ha, ndisi kana ndikwe asisi. Ndik. Asisi. Ndi wako kon. Nope.
The one the cocoon.
This one. Nam so good mini mano. Ini ndi no good chicken ni. Sasa tumana tambazon.
I think I did that chicken.
Nano tambazon da.